Okay, hi, it's Cody from Tri Performance here, and this is your gym tutorial for today. Today we're looking at the chest press, all right? This is a great machine for all of our chest muscles, running into parts of the shoulder and also the tricep. Now, a couple of things that we can adjust on this machine. One of the most ones that we do is generally our seat, going up and down using our little lever action just here, all right? And we want to set our seat height so that if I sit down, this handle, if I extend my thumb, is just under my armpit, okay? If I'm very low and it's up above my shoulder, we're not using as much of our chest muscles as we would like. It's all in the shoulder. And if I'm too high, it's kind of a bit of an awkward position to push, okay? Can go a little bit higher. Better to be higher than lower. So if I set this, if I draw that line, it's touching just underneath my armpits, okay? So once that's adjusted and that's set, one of the other things we can adjust here is this handle that pulls the handles in and out to a mechanism here at the back, all right? And this kind of allows for my shoulder mobility and the depth of my chest. Now if I set it all the way to the back, it is a long way for me to get my shoulders back there and quite hard to reach. Other people with a bit better shoulder mobility will be able to reach that further and more comfortable. I set it in about the middle for me. That's the comfortable position for me to press out. So remember, that could be a small adjustment if you're struggling with this machine that you need to look at. The last thing to adjust, and generally the most important, is our weight system. So looking down in here, we've got our standard pin-loaded machine weight system where it goes up by 10 kilo increments. And then we have our dial, which we pull out, turn to add our little 2.5 kilo increments. Once we've gone all the way up to 7.5, if I'm to go to the next, I move the pin down and have it on 35. All right. Once I've set my weight and I know my reps and sets that I'm going to complete, sit down, take the handles, and we want to extend and then control back. Now see how that weight has hit and I've lost tension in the bottom. Therefore that means I probably need to adjust the handle here in that one that I showed you before, because when I retract and come down, I want to still keep tension so the weight stack is still lift on. I've still got all the weight. Push, down, push, down. Okay, let's finish. Slowly release, and there you go. That is our chest press, and good luck.